So, as you guys can see the flashlight, it's a little bright. I mean, is that not crazy? How bright that is? So, pitch black. Oh, no problem. Welcome back, guys. Today we are reviewing this solar flashlight. So, a great thing about this, it has a safety hammer, safety blade, it's got a magnet and a compass. Let's go ahead and unbox this for you guys. So inside the box we have, right there's the solar, let's see, there's the solar panel right inside there. And the magnet, wow, that's a big magnet right there, so you can stick it on anything metal. Right here you have the hammer for breaking glass or to use as a pretty blunt weapon. This is pretty heavy duty. It's not those cheap knockoff ones. So it's definitely heavy duty. Definitely would put a hurting on. So right here you have your power button. So let's check this out here. Looks like you got 3 modes. So you got high, low, and then flashing. So there's flashing, there's high, there's low, and flashing. So 3 different modes with this. The compass is right on here. You can thread this off. And once you thread it off, you got a USB port and also another port for charging. So it looks like you could actually charge probably a cell phone or a device with this. We're going to test that out. We have a power bank right here. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in the USB port. Now, as we can see, we got light. Plug this in our power bank, and it is charging. So this is a power bank flashlight as well, and it's charging our other power bank, as you guys can see. So that's pretty awesome. So you can charge your GoPro or cell phone with this as well. To charge this, you just simply plug this cable in and then plug this into a USB port. So vice versa, you could use a power bank to charge that as well by plugging that in. And once you plug that in, it stays red and it blinks red for charging. Overall, this is really nice. This is really, really nice. You press and hold the power button and you get a light right here. Press and hold it again and it's dimmer. So that's pretty cool. So on the solar panel, you press and hold it again, you got a red blinking. So as you guys can see the flashlight, it's a little bright. I mean, is that not crazy? How bright that is? So, pitch black. Oh, no problem. Here's low mode. And of course the flashing. We go ahead and we hold that light. I mean, you can see how bright that is. Press and hold it for the red. So that's a good emergency. Overall, this works great. Press and hold it again and we're back to normal. Love this flashlight.